Hello, hello. What's the matter?
Anything that occupies space is a matter.
I mean, what's wrong?
Wrong is the opposite of right.
What's the problem?
Problem is situation that requires a solution.
What the hell?
Hell is the place for punishment.
You're not getting my question.
But you are getting my answer.
I mean, what was the fight about?
The fight is about a conflict.
Conflict? What is the conflict?
Conflict is serious disagreement between two or more parties.